We have to find IC. IC is the part of the fraction, okay? We have to eliminate the fraction by multiplying left side and right side by the denominator. Okay, let me copy this problem one more time. ICBO equals IC minus beta IB over beta plus 1. We have to multiply both sides equation by the denominator. Beta plus 1. And we have beta plus 1. Beta plus 1 and beta plus 1 will cancel out. And I'm going to have beta plus 1 times ICBO equals IC minus beta IB. I'm looking for IC. Okay? IC is on the right side of the equal sign, and I have next to it beta IB, which is subtracted from IC. Anytime we have subtraction or addition, we have to move the term which we don't want next to our variable to the other side and change the sign. That's why I'm going to have beta plus 1 times ICBO plus beta IB equals IC. So I can write the answer in this way. IC equals beta plus 1 ICBO plus beta times IB. Now someone can ask why we didn't change the signs, because we changed the sides. Remember, anytime we take everything from the right side and move to the left, and everything from the left to right, we don't change the signs. That's why this is the solution to my problem.